The 2015 Ford Focus hatchback has become the most popular choice for people who want the same high-end interior, sporty handling, and of course the look of the higher dollar, sporty Ford Focus ST, WRX Impreza, and Civic STI coupes, but of course at a fraction of the cost. This beautiful 2015 Ford Focus SE is one of the newest pieces of inventory here at Oliver Motors. As we walk around the front of the car and look underneath the hood, we'll see that it's powered by a 2.0 four-cylinder. Everything that you need to check or fill is brightly colored in yellow right up on top. Just like with every other manufacturer of today, safety features such as crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, side impact beams, driver and passenger front airbags, and side curtain airbags are all included. The thing about the sporty look is the sleek lines. Alloy wheels help add value to the car. Built into the mirrors are blinkers, allowing oncoming cars to see that you are turning. The push button keyless entry in the driver's door. Power locks, power mirrors, power windows, powered seat on a cloth interior. As you hop inside this beautiful Focus SE, you'll see that it does have cruise control built into the steering wheel, information buttons, the sync hands-free volume controls all built on the right-hand side. As you start up the car, you'll notice that it does have a bright display and everything is very easily seen from the driver's compartment. Again, talking about going through the information buttons and how it moves up on the screen. Rear backup camera. On your screen, that's your information set. AM, FM, CD. Climate control. A little storage compartment with a USB port, accessory port. Automatic transmission. A decent sized glove box. As we step out of the car and move towards the back, you'll notice that it does have a spacious rear seat, 3-person capabilities. The back seats do fold down to a 60-40 split, giving you more room in the back seat if you need it for storage. Coming around the back, the hatchback, easy open into a large storage compartment with a privacy cover. If you'd like to see more information, or if you'd like to see more pictures on this beautiful 2015 Ford Focus SE hatchback, you can log on to www.olivermotors.com, or you can stop by one of our 2 convenient locations, 315 South Boulevard, Baraboo, or 246 West Main Street, downtown Sun Prairie.